Oh, dang. Aristo. Alright, Lynn, what are we doing today?
We are gonna go check out this car.
Dream car.
That's all I gotta say, huh?
Car.
Some kind of car.
Like a nice car. Maybe. Depends on how I build it.
It will be a dream car.
Who's this man back here? His face is covered up with a wing. Where is he? Oh, he's right behind us.
I was behind
There they are, signing the papers.
Dang. He's Team Nissan.
Dang. Datsun 510. 2-door. I don't even know what year this is. 5-speed and everything. It's a pretty clean car. I mean, considering it's 40 years old. But, yeah, we'll give you a full walk around when we're back at the house.
Fucking 510 owner.
Look at that smile.
Just like Alan in the MR2.
Hey, I had the same smile when I bought the 280Z.
Well, I didn't see it, alright? I saw the MR2. I saw you cheesing.
Yeah, this car is a weird shifter. Like, look at the pattern on this thing. It's got a dog leg transmission. I'll turn right.
That's not second. This is second.
This car is boxy. That's the road right there. Well, at least it's not a rust hole, right?
Yeah.
I think. I don't know.
That might be though.
Yeah, it's like some silicone, whatever. That's your car following you. How was that drive?
It's pretty cool. Pretty fun.
Pretty comfortable in there. Alright, first mod. Taking out these sheepskin seat covers. There's a little tear here. Not a little.
That's better than this sheepskin.
No, yeah, this is hella gross. Feels hella gross. Did you take it off? It's like,
I don't know. It's like zip tied on there or something.
Was it?
Yeah, I don't even want to touch this.
I have to go get gloves for this.
Here you go. And it's still on there. Oh, what the? Oh, okay, I see. Little hooks. Go. Well, I guess we're doing a photo shoot now. I'm driving to Subaru. Got this cool little spot next to our place. Here's the spot. This brand new warehouse place. Dang! What are these boxy old cars? What you doing in here?
I'm just checking.
Checking the random stuff.
Checking the random stuff. Checking rust.
You can smell that fuel. Gas tank just sitting right here.
That's what it is.
Yeah, so I guess I can give you a little walk around in this car. Oh, so loud. So it's pretty clean, pretty straight, being a 40-year-old car. It's got a little dent right here. Some dents on the roof.
Don't make sure it doesn't pop off in the
I know.
again.
That was messed up.
I think I had the clip on my Subaru.
And for the interior, remove that sheepskin seat cover. There's no carpets, but the floors are solid. This is just missing a grommet. And the steering wheel's gotta go.
Are you close this window all the way?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, careful with that. Dang.
I mean, it is pretty clean.
What is this, a L20, right?
L18. It's off of, I think that's 620.
Oh. So the guy like rebuilt this engine, or he resealed it or something. Got a brand new Weber 3236. Out here doing a photo shoot. Getting some before pictures of this car. So what's the plans with this thing?
ITBs.
ITBs?
Full repaint.
Yeah.
Some long champs.
Oh dang.
Roll cage in the back. And then probably some like Sparko seats or some like bride seats.
There you go. And then we're gonna do the
I don't know what about the motor. Repair the rust.
honestly, I would keep the engine for now because it's pretty healthy.
Yeah.
And then just, you know, do the suspension, do the brakes, interior, body stuff. And it should be good.
It'll be a 2.5 year build.
What you doing back there?
Zealand is still a 4-seater.
Well, the seats next week.
We got this little ongoing joke that he and Sam always drive over because they have the 4 doors. And look, this guy bought a 2-door so he can get out of it, but he still has rear seats.
My Integra has 2 doors also. Y'all be like, yo, let's get the Integra.
There it is, Brittany Chen. Hey, shut off this time.
No, he's good at the trick.
Oh.
I'm the owner. You told me I don't know my car. That's why you shut it off. You can order it.
Yeah, so this is Lynn's new project car. I don't know how fast it's gonna move along with this, but
You about to chop the springs tomorrow, man?
Yeah, why not?
Tonight.